welcome back to our channel. Welcome if you're new. Our names are Susan and Jeff and we've been living here in Bulgaria for the last 10 years. Today we're going to take you on a short walking tour of Burgas, just to show you some of the main sights, and we're also going to explain how the Bulgarians have changed our mind about Christmas.
Bulgas has recently celebrated St. Nicholas Day, St. Nicholas being the patron saint of seamen and fishermen. And as Bulgas has a long maritime history, they have adopted St. Nicholas as their patron saint.
As we mentioned, Burgas is a port, but it's still got quite a beautiful beach, especially in summer. Even though it's December, it's still 9 degrees today. St. Nicholas was also born in a town by the sea, in a place that we now know as Antalya. St. Nicholas was born to a wealthy merchant family and inherited a large fortune. What he did with this fortune was to give it away and help the poor. And this has actually led to the evolution of the Father Christmas story. Santa means saint and Claus is short for Nicholas. Although I'd heard vague stories about St. Nicholas and how he had been woven into Christmas, I'd never really studied the saints. Coming from a Protestant background as we did, neither Jeff or I really fully had grasped the significance of this very important man to our history. I always thought that Father Christmas was something to do with a Coca-Cola advertisement. I didn't realise that Father Christmas is actually based on this amazing bishop, 4th century bishop. We've noted since moving here that the Bulgarians are much less materialistic around Christmas time than we are in England. In fact, the first Christmas we were here, we were shocked by just how few things appeared in the shops and how late in the day they appeared. Not like in England when you start to get Christmas in September. Christmas here is much more about spending time with family than it is about receiving presents. Although the Bulgarians do have presents, it really isn't the commercialistic kind of event that we have in England. The Bulgarian Santa Claus epitomizes generosity and giving, and following the teachings of Jesus Christ. Spending St. Nicholas Day with them this year really opened our eyes to just how important this man is to the Bulgarians. The Bulgarian Santa Claus is really centred in Christianity, in their Orthodox faith. He is not the secular, consumeristic Coca-Cola Santa that we have in England. This big difference really hit home to us this year, sharing St. Nicholas Day in our new country. We finally learned the truth about Santa Claus.
Ще запалим по стара добра традиция коледните светлини на Бургас!
Na zdrowie, Jeff.